My name is Benin Thomas and I represent Target Integration, and I have been working here as a consultant for past 3 years. Today's webinar will be about staying connected remotely using an online collaboration tool called Zoho Meeting. Also, for your information, this webinar will be in listen and view mode, so you can drop your questions or queries in the chat or question and answer section, and I'll be answering them at the end of the presentation during the question and answer section. Moving ahead, this is the agenda for today's webinar, with introduction following about what target integration does, and following with the features and benefits of Zoho Meeting as an online application. So about target integration, who are we? Target integration was established in 2008 with a mission that every business should be able to leverage the full power of their business insights. Target integration has its offices in Ireland, that is the headquarters, United Kingdom, Birmingham. In India, we have multiple offices in Gurgaon, Bangalore, Mumbai, and Ahmedabad. We have a development center in Greece as well. So target integration is providing a perfect mix of quality and value. What do we do? So target integration primarily focuses on CRM and ERP domains, where the intention is that we bring all the business process onto an automation application which will work accordingly. So ranging from different domains, we cater into customer management, sales management, customer care ticketing for CRM domain. For ERP, we have business process automation process, e-commerce consultation, point of sales systems, custom software development, and miscellaneous cloud services for cloud infrastructure, cloud SaaS, and web and mobile applications. Target integration have various partners in terms of product domains. We are partners to Zoho, Odoo ERP, Zendesk ticketing software, Salesforce, SAP, and Microsoft Dynamics. Here are our satisfied clients with whom we have successfully implemented projects. All these clients work across different domains, and we have been successfully working with them, and we have implemented different processes as per their requirements. Now, in this current scenario, during this pandemic lockdown, where face-to-face communication has become difficult, it is important that we utilize the advantages of online technology to stay connected with our team members and our external audience. And that's where online applications like Zoho Meeting come in handy. What is Zoho Meeting? Zoho Meeting is an online conferencing application, so where you can have a conferencing sessions with your desired audience. You can set up online meetings so that you can converse and have meetings, virtual meetings with your team members as well as your clients or customers who are specific. You can also organize webinars where you can invite larger audience. You can go on and display and present your products, your services, online demonstrations through these portal. So Zoom Meeting basically is a platform where you can collaborate with different section of audience and stay connected and accordingly proceed with your processes. Zoho Meeting features. So what this Zoho Meeting application provides in terms of features? You can set up and schedule online meetings as per the audience, like you can connect with your team members as well as your clients and customers, present your particular process, demonstrations, and accordingly you can schedule online meetings. Conduct webinars for larger audience where you can invite the attendees and present them with different products and different services that you can display to them. Screen sharing option is there in this particular application where you can showcase your screen and present to the audience. Audio and video settings can be adjusted accordingly. All the sessions that you conduct on this particular tool can be recorded and they can be used and can be shared for future reference. For all the meetings that you generate from Zoho Meeting, all the sessions will be having a link that you can share or post in any of your desired platforms. Zoho Meeting benefits. So all the benefits of Zoho Meeting, where you can see it's an application which gives you swift collaboration. It helps you to connect with team members who are remote. It's basically a replica for face-to-face meetings. It helps you to connect with your clients. It helps you also to get connected with your new leads, new prospects, new customers. It helps you to share and download the recordings so that you can post it on your website and your blogs, and you can accordingly share it with your desired audience. Now, I'll be helping you through the interface of the application itself, Zoho Meeting, about what are all the features and what all the functionality that is there inside the application. As you can see, this is the interface of Zoho Meeting, the home page basically, where you will see the option to generate or schedule an online meeting, as well as you can organize and schedule a webinar also. You can always click on Meet Now, which is for the purpose of generating an instant meeting and inviting the participants, where if I click on Meet Now, you need to choose the audio option accordingly. If I click on computer, you then start the meeting accordingly. So here's the page where you can invite the attendees by entering the email IDs and then accordingly sending across it, or you can copy this particular link and accordingly share with your desired audience. You can see all your attendees here, the chat option. You can even start sharing your screen from here. You can even start your recording from here, and accordingly you have the option to give control to your particular audience. You can adjust your audio options from here too. And if in case if it's for a future meeting that you would like to schedule, you can always click schedule a meeting for future date, where when you click on this particular option, you get to enter the meeting topic, enter the agenda of the meeting, set the date, the time and the duration, and from here you can enter the email addresses of the participants, and then you can click on schedule. So to see all your meetings, you can click on my meetings here. All your upcoming meetings will be shown here, and all your past meetings you can see from this particular tab. So this is particular module of my meetings where you can track all your meetings, upcoming and past meetings accordingly. Now when we go to webinars, so to attract your larger audience, where you can use the platform to conduct webinars on different products, on different services, you can always generate a webinar schedule from here by clicking on schedule a webinar. Similarly, you can enter the webinar title here, enter the description of the webinar, the date and time, the time zone, what's the duration, and you can click on schedule. So all your upcoming webinars will be shown here. So as the date approaches, you can always click on start and you can proceed with your webinar. All your past webinars you can see here, and you also have the option to see the analytics, where you can see how many registrants were there for your webinar and how many attendees were there. You also have an option of embed, where post webinars you can always uh, use this particular HTML code, which you can copy and paste and add it to your blog or website, from where directly your desired audience can access also. As I mentioned, all your meetings and webinars have the option of recording. So once you start recording and all your session is done, all your recordings get saved here in this particular section. As you can see, all your recordings, date and time will be mentioned, your duration will be mentioned, and from here you can play the recording, or else you can always share, or else you can download accordingly all your recordings. As a part of admin level settings, you can always set up this particular application. As you can see in my settings, you have the option of meeting and webinar settings, where you can set up your time zone as per your system. An email reminder will always can be set post any particular session, that you get an email reminder which you can select. Also, you can activate the option of adding the particular session to your Google Calendar as a reminder too. Manage organization. As an admin, you can set up the information of organization, the name of the company, the logo, and some of the meeting and webinar settings, which you can toggle and set it as activated or deactivated. User management. So this is the place where you add users, your internal members, where they'll be acting as hosts. So with their dedicated login IDs, they can always conduct these meetings and webinars accordingly. Additional feature, that Zoho Meeting can be integrated with other Zoho applications like Zoho CRM, where once integrated, you can directly schedule meetings from within Zoho CRM application with your clients, with your customers. And it's also integrated with Zoho Campaigns. So Campaigns tool of Zoho, which can be integrated with Zoho Meeting, where you can directly conduct webinars through the Campaigns application too. Now, as you have seen the functionality of this application, Zoho Meeting can be used to stay collaborated with your team and your external audience, and it's useful across different domains. As you know, in this time of pandemic lockdown, where it's difficult to communicate in person, and across different domains, different businesses have been affected accordingly. We can use this particular application, online application, to communicate with our desired audience. Let's say, for example, education sector, where online classes can be organized and delivered, and the flow of knowledge continues. And similarly, we can utilize the online application to stay connected remotely with our other clients and customers accordingly. Now we go into question and answer section. So if you have any questions or any queries, you can just drop in into that particular question and answer sections. So we have a question that we have received, that what is the limit of attendees allowed? Okay, so in this particular case, so we have option of meeting as well as conducting webinar. So for meeting, while we conduct a meeting, online meeting, so a total of 100 participants can participate in a single session, while uh, while we go for webinar, when we conduct a webinar, so that is also classified that as per the limit is 25 to 250 attendees. So 25 to 50 or 50 to 100 or 100 to 250, so like that attendees can attend accordingly. So maximum range is 25 to 250 attendees in webinar. So one more question we have received is, are there any size limitations for recordings? So as such, there is no size for such sessions, but yes, for a particular, let's say for Zoho, for the online meetings, the storage allows you for 10 recordings in your particular domain, in your particular application. So 10 recordings can be done for meeting, online meetings. If there is additional meeting that needs to be conducted, then there will be add-ons that you can purchase. And for webinar, there will be a storage for 25 recordings default, and accordingly if there is more requirement, you can purchase the add-ons accordingly. So we have one more question, that if the Zoho meeting can be integrated with any other application. So currently, as I showed you, Zoho meeting is integrated, can be integrated with Zoho CRM and Zoho uh, campaigns for conducting your meetings and webinars. Also in the scope is that Zoho can it's in the scope, future scope, that Zoho meeting can be integrated with your other application of Zoho called Zoho Projects, where you can again take this particular option of conducting meetings when it's during the project management also. And for any further queries or questions, or if you would like to get connected, if you like to get connected with our team, or any kind of discussions, or any kind of one-on-one demos that you would like to uh, get from our side, you can definitely contact us. Following is the contact informations. Okay, we have one more question, that can we get a demo of online meetings? Sure. Like I said, you can definitely connect with us for online demos, and you can drop to us your particular queries and questions. You can always drop your email at info@targetintegration.com, as you can see on the screen, or you can always visit us at on our website at www.targetintegration.com. You can always visit us. We can drop your inquiries accordingly, and we'll be sharing the details accordingly with you in terms of the features of the application and the costing as well with you. Thank you everyone for your participation. Hope the webinar was informative. Stay tuned for more webinars from Target Integration. Thank you and stay safe.